Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards. Taurus, if you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, so you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards, guys. We have Six of Swords, Strength, and Nine of Swords in reverse. So in your situation, guys, in your work situation, Taurus, or in your relationship, maybe you are making a journey, maybe a trip, you are going out for work, maybe moving to a different place for work, or a different city, or you are on a vacation, maybe, guys, moving away. There is some kind of a travel plan in your situation today, guys. It may be for work, or it may be for leisure. So some kind of travel is coming up in your life today, guys, in your situation today, Taurus. And Taurus, you are maybe having some fears, maybe worries. You are someone who goes for the right choices or the right decisions, and you don't want to risk anything, face any difficulties. So you do things in a particular way to avoid some difficult situation. But today certain things may have happened unexpectedly, and you are feeling some kind of fear or worry in your situation. Maybe for some of you, it may be these fears may not be true, guys. It may not be based on truth. You are simply trying to be more precautious, taking precautions maybe in your regarding something in your work, or you are worried about certain things in this relationship. Maybe you feel you are afraid that this person may not understand you, they may leave you for some reason. So some kind of fear in your relationship or in your work situation, guys, Taurus. And Taurus, I also see that you are someone who is courageous, who has a strong willpower and determination. So whatever your situation is, you are ready to handle it, and you are someone ready for action, and you are determined, courageous. So people in your situation, they may look up to you for your guidance and support. Maybe you are helping someone today, guys, standing by their side, being their strength and guiding them in their life today. Maybe they are facing some troubles and they are facing a lot of difficulties, and you are there guiding them. Or it may be vice versa. There is someone guiding you, helping you today in your situation. Maybe you are in some difficulty, this person is helping you or guiding you, guys. And Taurus, you need to understand that you need not fear what this person will think or what they will do, guys, because they will understand you. Maybe you are facing something unexpected in your life today, and they will surely, that may be the reason you are not able to spend time with them or speak to them or communicate with them. So this person will understand your situation, guys, Taurus, and your situation will resolve. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. If you want more clarity, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card, and this is your first crystal and second crystal. So you can either choose the crystals or the cards. So before choosing, we will close our eyes, meditate for a few seconds, think about our situation that needs to be answered. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will keep this crystal and this card aside. So we will see what is the card for those who chose this card. Let's see what it is. It's an angel card, guys, and it is Archangel Raphael. So with this card, whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today, helping us out in this particular situation. So this angel stands for healing, guys, healing at all levels, healing mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and physically. And his healing light will ensure safety for us, safe travel, and guiding us and helping us, assisting us to reach our destination. So it may be a destination we may be reaching physically, or it may be a dream destination for ourselves, maybe the emotional growth that we have, vision for ourselves, or a spiritual growth that we have hopes for in our future. So whatever the destination is, this angel is here guiding us to have that potential and choosing a nurturing and a very healthy lifestyle for us to follow, so that it will increase our potential we have in our life, guys. And with this card, there is also that energy for you to heal yourself and help others also to heal in their situation. So whatever is beneficial for you and for the people around you or the people with you, to help them in their physical and spiritual growth. So you should go for those actions, and we will get that insight and clarity in our situation. So whatever needs to be done, that is what this angel is here guiding us today, guys. So maybe it is time we are maybe in a circumstance healing from something, maybe healing from an illness or healing from some emotional stress, and this angel is here guiding us today to get that clarity, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading with this card. So let's keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we will see what is the card, and it says come to the edge. So with this card, guys, it just means that today it is the time for us to take that leap of faith in our situation, overcoming fear and accepting the risk that we are facing today in that circumstance. So in a relationship, sometimes we need to take a risk. So we often hide ourselves, protect ourselves, so we never reveal what we truly feel to that other person. But today, maybe you need to take that risk yourself, allow yourself to be truly seen. So what you are, you need to show it to that other person. So it is important for you to speak up, voice what you need and say what you want, and only then this person will understand you and you will be able to build an authentic relationship. So if you want a deep, meaningful relationship, this is not the time for you to play it safe, but it is the time to take that leap of faith, take that one step towards truth and reveal what you truly want to this other person. And you have to have courage in your heart, guys, and need not fear about what this person will think or what they will assume of you. So you have to just show them the truth, and you need not fear. The results will be amazing, and you will feel wonderful for having shown this person your true nature, your true feelings, and your true emotions. And this is the time for that. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the energy with this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.